next corrective measure is data shuffling. Apart from the fact that before separating or dividing our model into the training, validation, and test sets, we have to shuffle the data. We also have to continuously shuffle the data as we are doing the training. Supposing we have this batches or this data points from 1 to n. If for every epoch we always start with the same data point and end with the same data point, the model may tend to be biased. That is, the model will tend to pay more attention to this early data points as compared to these other ones. And so it will adjust its models so as to best suit this first data points. And so that's why it's important to always shuffle the data for every epoch of training, so that every data point affects the model's weight optimization equally. It should also be noted that the shuffling is random, so we apply random shuffling for every epoch.